You got it, control it. Check out, Parker. Check out hard. Switch that field, kicks it. Hey, go wide, Parker. Go wide, go wider, go wider. Stretch that field out.
Hey guys, I told the other side this. This is the second half of the final game and it's close. Bear with me, okay? I'm doing my best. I know it's gonna get a little heated, so.
Check out Davis.
You know what? It actually hurts. I know, I was standing right in your way. But yeah, bear with me, I don't have ARs, okay?
Stretch more, Parker, more. Stretch out.
Let's go, bananas. Turn it up.
Good, Davis. That's where you got to be. Last player. Alex and Graham need to spread out. Graham, way out here. Find the corner. Remember to spread out, Graham.
22. Number 22.
W. 26 more.
Hey, see what happens? Hey, don't get sucked in by the ball.
Alex, you're actually on the other side. You're the left striker. All right, drop down a little. Good time. Good pass. Good control. Support, Davis, support. You drop in now. Davis, come out here in case it comes right. Yeah, that's perfect. Good. Aiden, go to the right. Find that window, Aiden. Good, Kingston. Good, Davis. Okay, let him know. All right, get inside. Wait it. Ooh. Yes. Good job. Ooh. Right swing, man. Hey, Graham. Kingston. I like that on the right foot. Good job. Arid. Parker. Yeah, you can drop down.
That was a great idea, Parker.
Yeah.
Almost, Alex. A little off. All right.
Great communication. Good job. Aiden, great ball. Good job.
Aiden, Parker.
I love it, dude.
Parker, head up. Davis, he's got a boot, so be ready.
Good, yeah, watch the ball. Keep your eye on the ball. Good. You got it covered now. Good. Watch the ball. There you go. See?
Control. And on. Check out. Good, Kingston. Stand side, Graham.
Good work. All right.
All right. Curler. Right there. Read the ball in the air.
Ooh.
Whoa!
Let it go, Craig.
Even more.
That was crazy.
Let's go, Woos.
I remind him though, because I can forget. Sometimes he just wants to like drop it in, but I'm like, hit the further so that he gets past it. Yeah. You heard that.
Aaron, good ball, bud.
Already, Neva. Go easy, go easy. Pressure the ball.
Right, here you go.
Good talking, Graham. Parker, find your player. Parker, you got to run, Parker. Good job, Zane. Hey, your player, Parker. Parker.
Okay,
Down here. You got to run. Go. Take it in.
Where's the ball going?
Okay.
Stretch out, Parker. Now find him.
Hustle back.
Zane, you got a player behind you right now. Come on, Parker, get there. Parker, no, find him.
Yep, there you go.
There you go.
Open up, boys, open up.
Good Zane.
Go, Graham!
Nice hustle, Graham.
There you go, buddy.
That's right.
Talk, boys, talk. Control your time. Yes, nice flash. Fire that, left Hayden. Left Hayden. Use it. Hey, support Zane.
What'd you feed him?
Hayden, you got a wonderful left.
What'd you feed him?
I know you want that right.
You didn't remember that.
Give him hope.
Playing great.
Check in. Hayden, come in now. Come in. Parker, check in.
Good throw.
Good
Send it.
touch.
Oh.
Good Zane, win it back.
Control it.
Call it, Zane.
It's a bad throw.
Good. Excellent, Zane. Now get in your spot, Zane.
Hey, all right. Hey, Zane. Be careful on your throws, okay? I want it to come all the way behind your head, all right? Parker, keep up the pressure, bud. Okay? Keep up the pressure. Hey, Zane, perfect position. Great ball. Good job. All right, press up.
You ready,
Aaron.
Davis?
Aaron, press up. Give that guy to Keaton.
Luke, come up some in case that ball squeaks through. There you go, Alex. Yes.
Oh!
Alex, just like that.
Good job.
Good ball, Aaron. Davis, run. Davis, run.
Go, Davis.
Davis. Get back, Davis. Parker, your player.
Oh. Good job.
All right, we'll take it. I saw that.
They look outside to me.
Go down the line.
I don't know about
Oh no!
Up the middle.
Clear it out, boys.
Get it out.
Clear it out.
Whoa!
Hey, don't send it back in the middle, boys. Let that ball go out of bounds if you need to. Kick it out.
It's hard. It has to be a hard kick. Reset. Good,
I'm going to pull you out.
Bro, drop behind you. Emily, get back.
Come on, buddy. Go wide, Graham. Go wide, Graham. Go wider. Graham, he got to just pop out. He's right here.
Parker.
Then
Carry one.
oh, it's beautiful. He doesn't. It's only going to be a hole. That's you.
pick.
Get back on D. Get back on D, James. Get back on D.
Hey, B!
Come on, boys, together!
Stop!
Fighting, keep fighting! Turn!
Parker, get there. Find him, Parker.
Send it!
Ball. And on! Nice. Parker, get down.
Hey, Aaron, let's be a little bit more decisive. Go or don't go. If you go, take the ball, not pass. Yeah.
Ready, Jimmy?
Call it, Graham. Go wide, Graham, wide.
Open up for him, open up.
Keep going!
Good
Very
work,
good.
Parker.
Man up. Oh,
Parker, get up, Parker.
Say what? Good ball. Good 1-2. Yes! Oh, touch that three. Good idea, though.
Wow. Parker, are you all right?
Excellent ball. Graham, you all right?
Parker.
You good?
That's good, bud.
Work through
Good
it. Pick
stuff.
up. Mark up. Or
Zane.
Zane,
Go ahead and make the throw, Zane.
Back on D. You can't buy your short. You gotta get back on D.
Go ahead and go big, Zane. Go ahead and go big. Good.
Now go.
Go!
Ready, Aaron, get ready. Push it through.
Corner.
Control it! Okay, Jimmy. Control it, stop it! Clean up blood,
All right. There. Oh.
Finish that.
Oh.
Bury that.
Oh,
Oh, nice
wow.
shot, Kingston. That's it. Great spot. Get back, Zane.
Back, Serena, back.
Yeah.
Back, Serena.
Your ankle hurts?
You take it in.
Well, I'll just play
Then you
with
got it. You're either injured or you're not. If it's really bothering you, you gotta take a knee. Good decision, Davis. Oh, you got 8 in there, Oren. Yes, shield. Switch. Stay outside, grab. There it is. Come on.
That was his chest, no? Is that his arm?
Use your shoulder, Alex.
Hey, Aaron. Don't be lazy.
Get back. It's gonna go quick. Get ready, St. Davis. You got time. Turn with it. Go wide. Now you go wide, Parker, when he has it. Nice. You got time. Yeah, bury that. Luke, come on.
Get up!
Whoa.
Really?
Did you touch it? You look like he's scared.
Come on, Jimmy. Put up the line, Jimmy. Arbo, go!
To the wall, boys.
Hey, Luke! Again, quick! Luke! If you have to, punch it up and over, all right?
Yeah. I know. It's
Alex, get it from the player right next to you. All right, be ready. Come on, dude.
Don't play him on, Davis. Don't play him on.
Get the ball on the outside.
Oh, wow! Wow, great. What a reflex save.
Yeah. Come on, Alex, bring it down.
Oh,
You can use your
alright.
shoulders, Alex.
Go down like that.
That's high, Russ. Come on, Grab. Come on, come on. Come on, boys. Control the ball, please.
Chase!
Ball, please. I got substitutions, please. I have a white. Restart.
Let's go, boys.
Yeah, I just
Hey, you got a check!
Parker, Graham, Arn, you're sitting.
When the kick is taken, if you're bouncing him, he's offside.
Keegson, I'm going to move you up to left striker, Alex. Right striker. Christian, left mid. Aiden, center mid. Luca, right mid. I need you to go back and forth. Okay, I want you to cook. Caitlin, left D. Davis, center D. Zane. Right D. Hey, you're going to see it right here. That's just a player. And you usually be behind him. Unless it's a half line, then you stand behind.
Don't wait.
We're yelling at defense. Want a little more activity in the back. These guys, right now, the fighting chance they have is kicking. Davis, oh man, Zane, who can hurt them. They're going to make a block. I know. It's cool if you can. You guys are ready. The ball's out here, kick it out of the yes, and then Luke, great job. You're crushing it. Just be ready. Be ready to close the gap. Look at me. Look at the board. You don't have to wait for it. And did you really catch it? That was a weird.
It didn't look right. It didn't look like
All right, boys, come on. Let's go. Let's go. We got a running clock.
What do you have to see?
Come on.
Yeah, very good. Very good. You're right.
Wolves on me. Wolves on three. 1, 2, 3. Wolves. Let's go, Wolves.
Go Wolves.
Good playing out there.
All right, it's our throw-in. Where are you?
Right mid. You're running back and forth.
Okay.
Let's go, Wolves. Be active down there. Now I'm going to move you. Okay? Be active up there.
Just keep moving so it doesn't stiffen up.
Arn, you're sitting. Get out.
Restart.
I did. That's probably said it too fast. Parker sitting, Graham sitting, Arn sitting.
Good, Toby?
Oh, sorry.
Oversight, go, run. Back on D. Send it, come on, Ben.
Kick.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, sorry. That's why I made my pen.
Christian.
They're basically the same thing. This one's in a specific area.
Come on, in, out, wide.
Unlucky.
Luke.
Come on, Luke.
Go wide, Christian. Luca, you're playing now, okay? You just drop down. They have the ball. Drop down. That's fine. Just be there in case. In line with Zane, please.
Get it out.
Oh, that was unintentional.
I thought that was a fire alarm. What? You're gonna score.
Hey, they have to touch it before they can score. Rush the ball after he touches it. Zane, that one you can duck. That's why he's calling it a head ball. Luca, get next to Zane, please. Alex, you run in there too. Right there.
Boys, keep touching.
Get next to Zane, Alex. Alex, other side, Alex, other side. Goal side. Alex.
Last minute.
There you go.
Keeps it. Yeah, you're good.
Stay close to Ted.
Keeps it.
Alex, we can.
Alex.
This way, closer to 10.
Closer. Right there, Keeps it. Right there, Keeps it.
There you go.
Hey, move up, Michelle.
Kingston.
Now you gotta push. Get in the line. Get in front of Green, Michelle.
10 yards.
To the middle. Up.
It needs to be 10 yards.
He does, he does.
Defender.
Okay, thank you. These guys can be run on the goal line.
Okay.
Luca, run out. Run out.
Go back.
You're ready, Luca, you're running, Luca, you're running. Go, Luca, go, 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 go.
Oh! Go, Kingston. Go, don't stop. Go.
Oh, this way. Asa, go. Get there, Asa.
Switches, outside, Alex, switch! Little touch, Kingston.
Get in the box, Luca.
Get ready. Get back. Zane, watch your player. The AR's not going to call up sight, so you got to stay with them, Zane.
Michelle, you got to run.
Stretch. Luca, drop it out of sight.
You got open over here.
Michelle.
The right side.
Come on, Luca, now guard your player, Luca. When they have the ball, you go find your player. Guard the one. Go. Wide now, you go wide, Luca. Go, Alex, you got it. Drive it. Driving shot.
Inside, Luca.
Come on, Kingston. Luca, back out here, Luca, all the way up. Come on, Luca. When they have it, you got to find that player. Now we're on offense. It's the widest player out here. Luca, now go with them.
Get back. All the way. Asa, no one's here.
There you go, David. Drive. And now find him. Find a window, Luca. Little touch out.
You're going at midnight.
touch out.
If you go like during the day, you get there at midnight.
Go, Michelle.
You know?
Get back.
You get there like way after midnight.
Number 7.
So you have to leave at midnight. So you have to
Come here, Jenny.
Go play. I got 2 goals.
Go, Michelle. Please go.
You had it?
Thank you, ref.
They put us, for us, on free kicks, they usually put us 7 yards back.
Hard.
I got it.
So you go to 7 yards
Run,
back.
Nathan, run. There you go. Good job. Get back.
Hey boys, so you gotta be a little bit more ruthless out here, okay? Let's find a way to force it.
Go, Lisa.
Go wide, Luca. Get on, go down. Man on. Go drive. Some pieces. Come on, Alex. Zig. Kingston, stretch that field out. Check in. Find that gap.
Here, come on, Michelle, run!
Go, Alex.
Again.
Alex, pull him in. I'll run, Alex, go. Get ready, Luca, get ready.
Christian out wide. Kingston.
Get ready, Davies, you got a boot.
Nathan, we got an open man over there. Push up, Christian.
Control.
Get there.
Come on, boys.
Come on, Michelle.
Good.
Let's go, Luca. Let's go, Luca.
Nice. Go.
Try.
Good try, Kingston. Good passing, boys.
Get back, Davis. Get back, Davis. Get back,
Stay
Luca.
aggressive.
Drop, Roxia,
Come
drop.
on, Ethan.
Come on, David. Good.
Nice. Go, Kingston.
Good. Luca, drop down.
Go, Michelle.
Quickly, Luca, find him. Stay with him.
Get back, Jenny. Jenny, get back. Get back. Roxia, come on, back up. Emily, look back. There you go. Oh. Go, Michelle, take it. Come on, Jake, come up.
Man up.
Good job, guys.
Shield, Kingston.
Go, Kingston.
Switch.
Go, Kingston.
Come on.
Go.
Stay outside,
Go.
Alex.
Go.
Shot.
Alex, onside.
Oh. Keep it up, Kingston. Keep it up.
Go, buddy.
Shift.
Boys,
Michelle,
wake
shift,
up.
shift. That way.
Christian out there.
Oh. Get it. Come on, guys.
Luca, run down, please.
Good, Davis.
Luca, run down, please. You're not run down. That's Russell. Wide, Luca. Go this side.
Go, Kingston.
Luca, don't worry about that game. Go guard 7 again. Get back, Luca, get back.
We gotta talk to him. Come on, girls, come on. One last cheer.
Davis.
Loud.
Come on, Alex, go. Come on, Luca. Keep fighting, Luca. Mark up. No, Jason, that's Christian. Go in. Go in.
Guys,
Up.
put it out.
Come on, Alex, you got control. Send Kingston. Come on, he's up now.
Good. Let's shoot, Kingston.
Little less on that one. Good idea. Control, boys. Control, Luca. You got time to get 8 in the middle. You got 8 in the middle.
Yes.
Let's go.
Come on, pick up. Come on, pick up, spread out.
We're going to take you guys a picture over there. Go by the goals. Go, Wolves.
You got time. Go, Zay. Look out wide.
Go, Alex.
Oh, that's a great ball, Aiden.
Send it out, Alex. Send it out.
Yep. This is all you, Aiden. This is all you, buddy.
Got it.
Alex, go to that side, pal. Alex, go to that side.
Put it in there, Aiden. Find that spot.
Good.
Watch the rebound, Christian.
Alex, go that way.
Luca, find that rebound.
Oh.
Come on, boys.
Good hustle, guys.
Good job, boys.
I haven't had like a big orange in like not 2 years.
You can just do it from the top. From the top.
Like maybe like a Me and her have milkshakes. I have milkshakes. I have a milkshake. You last time I made
I told her whoever it was, I was thinking back to it. I didn't know who it was.
You guys got your halftime snacks, you got your water? All right, let's talk about the game right now. What are some of the things we're doing? Passing, communicating. What's that? No, I'm okay. What are some of the things I don't know if you guys You want orange? Right now, we have more than Would you say that's fair? Would you say we've played with more intensity before? Think about 2 weeks ago when we played Alhambra. One of the teams that we know is a very strong team. We came with that energy that we were going to play a very good team. And what did we play with? We played lights out. Now compare that energy to what we're presenting today. Is that the same? Yeah, right? And so it's us as coaches to pull that out of you guys, to have you guys be aware. So what are some of the things that we can do to play with more intensity? Center toes, be ready. Maybe know where you're gonna go with the ball before you get it. There's gonna be space. There's gonna be, and if you don't have space, then what side of the field is gonna have space? Yeah, because they're short players. So if you feel that you're under pressure, if you make a pass out, let's say to Aiden, with whoever's center mid, you should automatically know that the other side of the field is going to be wide open. So Arn, you're going to be in the center right now this quarter. You should already know that if the ball's on this side, probably 80% of their team is going to be on this side trying to stop that ball. This is going to be pockets over here. Right? Or even if you, let's say you sweep it through to the striker, what should the striker already be thinking about? Switching that ball, Kingston. Or Alex, if you're playing on the left side. Because again, they're short players. That other side of the field is going to be open. So just think about that to your advantage. And now that you're armed with that, everything else is going to come easy. You're going to win a 50-50 ball. You're going to check out. If you don't have the ball, into what? Into space, into windows exactly. We're going to use our what to call for what?
Parents, thanks for watching.
Use our words. I'm open, ball. Right? It's very helpful. You can't see around your head, but it's helpful if he's telling you that I'm open.
The other thing that I want to talk about real quick is like when we have our two strikers up here, right? Boys, watch all your midfielders, right? If that ball gets played out here, and this is for you because you're going to be the striker now, but you were in the midfield, right? When Alex ran out here, I told you to go inside, right? now, if you're the striker going here, you're going to see Parker coming inside. Okay? Or whoever's out here, right? So you have to know that your support is coming in, and your midfield, your defender, hey look, your defender in the back three is coming up to support you here. Okay? So you'll have support, but you'll have an underlapping run, right? Midfielders recognize that I don't want you both out here, no good, right? But as you recognize that he's out, you want to turn it in, we can play that ball back in. If you have to go back, you have to defend that. Okay? So let's be mindful of those runs.
All right,
It goes out, it goes in, right?
Switching
Sorry,
sides.
because I want to like cheer a little bit, like Grand Sport, but I was like,
Luka, right striker.
thank you very much.
Cristiano,
They're
left mid.
Yes.
Oren,
In my
center
head.
mid. Parker, right mid.
Yeah. The second one,
Nathan, right
too.
D. Davis, center D. Kingston, right D.
What's up?
They're going to score if you guys get beat defense. What's
going on?
You guys got to be ready to run. Let's go, hands in the middle. Hands in the middle. Alex is sitting, Aiden is sitting, Zane is sitting. Hard on me, hard on three. 1, 2, 3, hard. Hey, you can take the ball. 2-0. Same position, your defense left.
Yo! I was trying to see what you guys were saying.
It's their kickoff, boys. Your left mid. Get ready. Good pressure, good support. Yep, go wide, Christian. Yes. Support Kingston. You got Kingston behind you to get him. Come on, Chief. Don't die. Turn. Christian, turn. One more to grab. One more, man.
Okay, go.
Right back.
Christian, let's go
Come
forward,
on,
bud.
Chief, quickly. If you're hurt, take a knee.
carry.
Pick up. Back up. Hey, Kenneth, close the gap. Luka!
All right.
Wait, hang on.
White. Yeah, top five.
All right.
Luka, you're right striker.
Let's go.
Parker, you're right mid.
Christian, come over here. Christian, come over here.
Control, you got time to control. Read it. Christian, move up, please. Come on, quicker, Aaron.
All right, come on. Wake up, son.
Call it, Luka! Wide switch!
All right. Wake up. Come on.
All right, your center, check in. Ready for shit? Ready, Luke. Come on, Parker. Get there, Parker. Nathan, drop back. Yep. You got time. Turn. Go wide, Christian. Wide. Boys, come on, Kingston. Get in there, Christian. You're a midfielder. Get in and help him.
Christian, you can't be watching. You got to open up, and you got to play that harder.
You gotta run. Luka, good striker, man. Support, Christian, support. Boot it out. Hard kick. Come on. Out. Good boy. Come on, Graham. Go to work, Graham. Go, Graham. Yeah, Christian behind you. Go, Graham. Send him down. Send him.
You're on the same team.
Come on, Christian, buddy. Go quick, bud. Mark up. Mark up. Hey, get in shape. Davis, what are you doing? Get in shape. Yeah, there's nobody there. Get ready. You're going to double team somebody. Come on, Christian, come on. Right feet. Here we go. Man on. It's coming. Bring it down. Man on. Come on, Art. Nice, Davis. There we go. There we go. One more. Yes. Kingston, close the gap. What are you doing out there? Close the gap. Oh. Get in shape. Get in shape. Good ball. Switch. There's our support. Yes. Get in shape, boys. Kingston, close the gap. Ball's on the other side. Get a little closer to Davis. Call it, Christian, when you're open. Call it.
What? You just tripped on.
Get ready, Luke. Get ready. Lucas, stand right there. Get ready, Luke. You can come out of that line, Luke. You have to be on the line. Need, go on that knee. There you go.
Good job,
Luke. Over
Luke.
here, there's your brother. Christian, support him. You got a man on. Go. Come on, Christian, sprint. Come on. You're hurting. You need to take a knee, Christian. Looks like he's hurt. Get in and play D. Christian, when it goes out of bounds, take a knee if you're hurt. Come on, Davis. You got to close that gap. Oh, my God. Christian, if you're hurt, you got to take a knee. Then you got more Good job, Luke. No, stay there, partner. Drop down, Luca. Watch middle, watch middle. You can do middle too. Get it out, Davis. Get it out, Davis. Send him next time, buddy. Close that gap, Christian. Get closer to Kingston. Get closer to Kingston. There's nobody there. Christian, look at me. You're here. There's nobody here. You gotta close the gap.
Come on, dude. Hey, let's go.
Bro, how do you do that? I gotta do it. You just do this? You just do this? Make it a tiny and now you just say drill.
Drop down, Luca. Check in, Oren. There we go. Out. There it is. Good ball, Oren. Good idea. Now, Christian, shift to the middle now. You got to close the gap. Shift over, Kingston. There's a big hole. He's offside. Come on, switch that field. All right, that's you. Parker, move down. Move down.
Graham.
Christian, get ready to run.
All right. This way.
Control, there's Graham. Stay outside, Graham. Stay outside, Graham. Come on, buddy, quick. Support him. Support him.
Hold.
Bury that. Get it.
That was a good pass. That was a beautiful pass.
Get on the line, Graham. Get on the line, Graham. Right, get on the line.
All right, be awake. It's yours.
Come on, Christian.
Good. Come on.
Come on, Christian. Win it. Good. Support him. Play it back. Control. Good ball. Good ball. Arts on the box, Arts. Oh! Win it, Christian.
Wow.
Don't fight. Yeah, take it, Kingston.
There you go, Kingston.
Shot.
Go.
Get in shape. Get in shape. Good job, Christian. Watch the play. got time! Man on!
6-7.
Come on, put some pressure on him. Let's go. There's the goal, Davis. Stand side, Parker. Control. There's Christian. Go wide, go wide. Hey, boys, are you actually outside? Are you not watching your line? Are you guys offside, Luca? Then you better pay attention.
Get ready, Davis. Luke, get ready. Davis!
Come on, Luke.
Good job. Oh! Davis, they're doing that every time. You can't be beat.
Stay aggressive.
Graham, that's far enough. Graham, that's far enough. That's far enough.
Get it out.
Send Graham. Get ready, Graham. Go help. Let's go, Graham. Come on, Christian. Let's go. There's Kingston. All right, use your body.